I've warned you severally. Never to allow this girl move away from this house. But I don't know what's wrong with you. I've pleaded with you to take care of your sister for me. Is that too big for you to do? I don't want to risk her life at all. This girl is sick and she doesn't know she's sick. Eh? Just to take care of your little sister. Hi, God.
Sister Nena, are you blaming me?
I have to blame you.
You are blaming me?
I have to blame you.
Why are you casting aspersions on me?
I asked you to take care of her.
I have been telling her, but she kept her dormant. Don't you know her? Sochi is very, very stubborn. Every time I will tell Sochi, don't go to work, she will reply that she will not go any place. Immediately you leave the house, she will sneak out. Do you want me to kill her? Eh? Do you want me to tie her with a rope? Okay.
If you have to tie her with a rope, you have to do it though.
I should tie her with a rope. Is she a goat?
It's needed though. It's needed. I can't just understand this. Eh? Simple to take care of your small sister, your younger sister. Sochima is sick. And she doesn't know that she's sick. Please, take care of your little sister for me. Should I stop my work so I can stay at home and take care of her?
That is not what I meant.
It's you and I that knows that she's sick. I don't know, she doesn't use ear. I don't know, this ear is just for fancy. But at least, look after her. Please.
She is old enough to know what is good for her and
she's
what is not
old enough. She's the youngest one. She's the smallest one. She's not old enough. In this situation, she's not old enough. Please, I beg you. Please, oh. Please, oh. Mommy, how are you?
Look at her mouth. If not because of one thing, I would have given you a dirty slap.
Because I finished giving you slap, Abby? For not taking care of your sister.
Nonsense.
I will not risk her life at all. Please.
I beg.
How are you?
Look at her mouth.
What kept you so long then?
I was dressing, I wanted to go out.
I've been here waiting for you and you're there doing what?
I'm dressing, I wanted to go out. I'm sorry. And why are you shouting? Are we quarreling?
So, Sochi, you've been lying to me all this while. You're sick, you are epileptic, and you didn't bother to tell me.
Ikem, I love you so much.
Don't tell me you love me. If you love me, you should have opened up to me.
Ikem, I'm sorry. See, Ikem, it's not like that. Ikem, I love you very much.
Don't touch me.
Ikem, please now, don't do this to me. Ikem, see, you cannot do this to me.
So, if we get married tomorrow, this is how you continue lying to me.
No, Ikem, I love you very much. How will I lie to you?
You know what?
Ikem, please, you can't do this.
Everything we had ends here today.
Ikem,
if you ever call my line again or try to come to my place,
Ikem, you can't do this to me now. You promised me you love me. Ikem, please. Ikem, hey. Ikem, please. Now you leaving me just because of an illness. Ikem, please now. Jesus, I'm dead. Ikem, I love you very much. Please now, Ikem. Finished though. I love you very much.
Everybody should listen, please. Sister Nena, to be sincere, honestly speaking, I am tired of all this nonsense. I can't continue this. Please.
You don't have to be tired. Sochima is just our little sister. When she's sick, you just have to take care of her. That's all we have to do for her. Eh? We have to take care of her.
She's my sister. That is very good. Ikem.
Yeah.
The more reason why I called you here and I want to plead with you. Please find somewhere in your heart to forgive her.
Please.
Oh, she lied to me. She lied to me. She should have told me that she's sick, and I will understand.
She's just scared.
Scared of what? She should at least.
She's just scared. Maybe if she tells you you're going to leave her.
Yes.
And she loves you.
She should at least tell me her problem. I will understand.
That's all.
Am I going to get her?
Hey.
And where is she going to?
Come back here.
Again.
Come back here, Sochi. Are you crazy?
Your brother is calling you.
Hey, stop being national.
Where are you going to?
Go and buy something.
Who sent you? Forget inside.
Take it easy. Let her be. See, go where you're going to. But come back early, okay? Don't be late there. Be back early.
Is that what you're telling her?
Calm down.
Let me say my own.
Allow her go.
If you get there and start doing...
Stop this now. Stop this.
Nobody should come you.
I don't like this. Stop this. Allow her be.
Don't have to tell her that now.
See guys. See, I just noticed something. It's like she's up to something. If you check her movie, let's go after her. I know what she's up to. Yes. I think so.
You are right. Sister is right though.
Just watch her move.
Let's just wait for her to go for it. So she will not notice that we are.
Oh God, accept my soul. I have to do this. Everybody hates me. Even Ikem that I thought that loved me very much abandoned me. I don't have anybody to talk to. I'm just scared.
No! No, don't do it! Sochi, please, don't do it, please. I love you. I love you. Please don't do it, please. I love you.
Sochima!
Sochima, my baby. Hey, why do you want to kill yourself now?
Are you kissing her?
Sochima. You don't have to do this now. We love you. I love you.
I am Ruby Ojiako, Nollywood actress. Keep watching Lampstaketv. Always subscribe to Lampstaketv. It's the bomb, it's the best. Lampstaketv.